let me tie it. My brother also has a mask. We just bought it from some Petron 7-Eleven thing. We're gonna tie it. We're also going fishing. It's very far. And the name is Go Jordan's Bangos Talaba Eatery. So guys, we're here. We're gonna go fishing now. Let's go.
Throw na that one?
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. No, wait lang there.
I'm just gonna wait and then I heard if there's anything up. Oh, there's one.
Oh, no, later na.
Later. So guys, I didn't get any fish yet. It's like been like 1 hour. I can't get any fish. I'm not that pro. I'm still new at this. But there's so many fish around my hook.
How about you, Luki?
I think I overfed them. Oh, I see one because the water's jumping.
Water's jumping?
Water's jumping.
How about you, Ate? Huh?
I saw lots, but it doesn't eat the food I put on the hook.
24 hours later.
What you know about rolling down in the deep when your brain goes numb? Go to mental freeze, and these people talk so much with the slow motion.
Done?
I can't find him. Sophia, I can't find Sophia.
1 hour later.
Ate! Nakuha dyan siya. Hold it, Ate. Ayaw, laki.
We got it.
Sige, hold it ko no.
Bako man. Ay! Sa live. Ibuhi! Wa na.
Okay na.
Okay.